Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today I'm going to look at the wall mount show here, and this is a full motion TV bracket or wall mount. And this of course can support your 26 to 55 inch TV sets. Now what sets this apart from a normal bracket that you use for wall mounting is this one has a swivel, meaning it can be moved to various angles. Now of course if you check it out, it can handle up 25 to 55, it can handle 25 kg, or in other words 55 pounds. And of course it's recommended that you do not exceed a 26 or a 55 inch TV. It features easy install. You can see a preview of the product. It's from Radioshack. So of course this is the package. You can see the mount here, and of course you can see the swivel adjustment along with the head. So we're going to pull this and show you the contents, or open it up and show you the contents. And of course it's a full motion TV bracket, by the way, as we said earlier. Alright, so I've opened the package. As you can see here, this is the contents. We have the guide, so let me show you the guide. So this is the guide. It shows you what you'll need, such as drills. It shows you the tools you'll need, and of course it breaks down the process for installing what's recommended. And of course here you have the features for the TV. You can also check your TV manual as to see what is recommended. Of course, here's the mount itself. We have the rails. Of course, we have the sections here. We have the mount tools. And of course, as this is possible. Here we have the other stuff that you'll need. Alright, so we have the top screws for the wall. And of course, we have some handy stuff such as a balance to make sure that this thing is installed flat, which is nice and handy. And of course, that's it for the contents of the package. Alright, so in case you're wondering what's inside of the Radioshack setup, this is it. I might show you disassembled, but just in case I'll end it too earlier, showing you the unboxing of this Radioshack wall mount. Ricardo saying bye until next time. Bye.